Wrong door. Oh, great.
It started this morning. We left home. Everything went perfectly. We got on the plane. It felt new, bright, and a little bit overwhelming, in a good way. And we landed in Barcelona for the very first time.
Right. Taxis are this way. Follow me.
Are you sure, Dad?
I am very confident. Thus, we're going.
It smells different here. Different how? Warm, and like bread, and sunshine. Sunshine doesn't have a smell, Tom. This one does.
Hotel Blue Horizon, yes?
Yes, please. Do you know it?
Of course! Beautiful hotel. 20 minutes, maybe less.
He speaks English,
Many people here speak English. It's very useful.
so my English works here?
Your English works everywhere, Tom.
Zara, the buildings have faces.
Those are called facades. It's how they decorate the outside of buildings here.
Why?
It's art. It's actually beautiful.
Indoor voice, Tom.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hotel Blue Horizon. Do you have a reservation? Yes, Watson family, 2 rooms. Perfect. Let me pull that up for you. Here we are. I do want to mention one small thing. Your 2 rooms are connecting rooms on the 4th floor, which is lovely. However, in room 402, the mini fridge has a small technical issue.
It's not cooling at the moment. Our engineer will look at it tomorrow morning. Oh, is there a way to get cold water in the room?
Absolutely. There's a vending machine on the ground floor near the lifts, and our restaurant is also open. You're very welcome to use either. Thank you. That's very helpful.
No problem. I'll sort the water whenever we need it.
These are your key cards, one for each room. They also operate the lift. Just tap the card on the reader to access your floor.
The card talks to the lift?
Exactly right. The card has a small chip inside. It sends a signal to the door.
The card has a secret code.
A secret code. That is a perfect way to describe it.
This place is huge.
It is. Let's go find our room.
Look!
Room.
Look! Room 402!
Good eye. Let's try the key.
Yay! Here we go! It's so soft.
Tom, shoes off before you go on the bed. That was not what I meant. My shoes came off. You said shoes off. I did it.
You can see a little bit of the sea from here. Oh, you actually can.
Where? Where's the sea? There, that blue line, far away. I think I see it. You definitely see it. I definitely see it.
The fridge really is broken. We should get some water. It was a long journey and Tom hasn't drunk enough today.
I'm thirsty.
You only just decided that.
No. I was thirsty before. I just didn't notice.
I'll go. There is a vending machine on the ground floor. The receptionist said so. 2 minutes.
Rick, take your key card
Got it.
and your phone. Got it. And
And
don't ding.
I'll be back in 2 minutes. Trust me.
He didn't take his room key.
He'll be fine. It's 2 minutes.
Vending machine, ground floor, near the lifts. Huck. There you are. It's not working. Hello? Anybody here? Can anyone hear me?
Okay, wrong door.
Wrong door again. Not what I was looking for. Of course. Of course there's no signal in here. It was a wrong shortcut, I think.
Zara, where's Dad?
He went down to get water. When?
A while ago.
20 minutes ago. What's wrong? Dad went to get water. He's been gone 20 minutes. 20 minutes for water. Yes. Okay. He's not at the vending machine. He's not at reception. I checked everywhere downstairs.
Is Dad lost?
Call him. He is not picking up.
Dad always picks up.
He is so careless. He should have told us where he was going.
Zara, come with me. We are going downstairs.
Should we call him again?
I have been calling him. He is not picking up.
Okay, coming.
Excuse me. My husband went to get water from the vending machine about 30 minutes ago. He hasn't come back. Have you seen him? Medium height, dark hair, olive green jacket?
Oh, let me check. I haven't seen anyone at the vending machine recently. Let me ask my colleague. Nobody has seen him in the lobby in the last 20 minutes. Mrs. Rick,
Would you like me to check our security cameras? It might show us where he went.
Yes, please.
Of course. One moment, please.
Yes.
He is fine. He probably just... I know he is fine. Mrs. Rick, we can see your husband on the camera. He went down the back corridor near the ground floor lifts. But unfortunately, there is no camera coverage beyond that point. There are 3 exits down that corridor. Please return to your room. I will have my staff check the area and will let you know if we have any updates. Okay, please let me know as soon as you have any updates.
In all my travels, never trapped in a hotel staff corridor before. First time for everything. Oh. Hello? Yes, hello.
Hello?
I am a guest. Room 402. I appear to be locked in your staff corridor.
The staff corridor, sir?
Near the vending machine. On the ground floor.
How did you get in there, sir?
That is an excellent question, and I look forward to discussing it once I am out. Mrs. Watson? I'm so sorry to disturb you. We've located your husband. He's completely safe. He found himself in the staff corridor on the ground floor.
The staff corridor.
Yes, he used the intercom to call reception. Very resourceful.
Dad used an intercom.
Good for him.
Is Dad okay?
He is perfectly fine. He is waiting for you in the lobby. He asked me to also tell you he got the water.
Dad! You were lost!
I was not lost. I was temporarily located somewhere unexpected.
That is the same as lost.
Rick,
I know.
you went through a door that said staff only.
The vending machine was not working.
You are unbelievable.
I got the water, though.
How did you actually find the intercom?
I tried every door, then I sat down and looked properly. It was behind a cleaning trolley the whole time.
So the solution was to stop moving and look properly.
Yes, that is genuinely good advice.
Dad, did you try to talk to the door?
I spoke to the mops, actually.
What did they say?
Nothing. They are mops.
Mops are bad listeners. Dad, were you scared?
A little. At first.
What did you do when you were scared?
I kept trying. I tried every door, and when nothing worked, I stopped. I sat down, I looked properly, and I found something I had missed. The intercom. It was there the whole time. I just hadn't looked carefully enough.
So when you are stuck, stop running. Look properly.
Exactly that.
Today we learned a lot of new words. Check-in, key card, vending machine, corridor, reception, signal. The most useful thing you can do when you are stuck is not to panic. It is to stop, look carefully, and ask for help. Dad found his way out of a locked corridor with an intercom button. That's enough. It is always enough.
Zara,
Yes?
tomorrow I want to see the sea. The real one, not the tiny line from the window.
Tomorrow we'll find it.
Good. The sea should know we are here.
Next time, the story continues, with more than a few surprises along the way.
If this story made you smile, or if you learned one new word today, please like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, has someone in your family ever gone missing for 20 minutes and come back completely fine? Write in English, any level, any mistake. I read every single comment.